Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. My name is Susan and you are watching Glossy Tips. On today's video, we will be showing you how you can make an instant glow with the help of only 3 ingredients in which you have right in your kitchen cabinet. You'll be needing sugar, you'll be needing some honey, and you'll be needing some coconut oil. So guys, let's pop into the kitchen to see the procedures and the preparation, after which we're going to apply as usual. If you know my channel or you know me too well, you will know I always like to try any of my recipe on my skin, directly on my skin, to see if it has effect, the results, and if I have more information which from my personal experience I can relate to you. So guys, let's see how we prepare this ingredient, this instant glow scrub, and the application, after which we come back to see the final results. Stay blessed and please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content or you find my content helpful. Thanks and stay beautiful.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
Alright, glossy family, this is the end of this video. As you can see from my face is a bit red because of the scrubbing. You know, it is sugar scrub, so it is hard. It's like scrubbing your face with sand, so don't be too hard when you're scrubbing your face. Don't apply much pressure if you have a very sensitive skin. And please, like I will always say, despite the fact that they are natural ingredients, you might be allergic to one or two ingredients. If you know your skin type and you know you are allergic to any of these ingredients, just keep it. Look for alternative, or rather just enjoy watching the video. So guys, this is my face. It is super soft, super smooth. I can feel my face. And after these good treats, what do you think of this video? Would you like to try? And if you love this video or you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe with your notification bell on and be part of this amazing glossy family where we glow naturally with the ingredients in our kitchen cabinet, looking beauty at zero effort, at zero cost. Bye guys.